Hello everybody, I'm here to show you the magical world of the African tropical rainforest. The tropical rainforest stretches into 9 different countries, including Angola, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Burundi, Rwanda, Tanzania, and Zambia. These make up the Congo Basin. The size of the Congo Basin is a whopping 3.7 million square kilometers. That's 1.4 million square miles. That's bigger than Texas, California, and Alaska combined. Ah, the tropical rainforest. So majestic. So humid. The tropical rainforest falls between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Tropic of Cancer, right on the equator. Hence why it's in the equatorial climate zone. The outer areas are in the tropical wet zone, obviously. The animals of this tropical ecosystem include chimpanzees, forest elephants, and a wide variety of gorillas, including the western lowland gorilla, the eastern lowland gorilla, and the mountain gorilla. There's some now. I'll say hello. Warning, gorillas are not friendly in the wild.